Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles to a video in Canva automatically. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to select videos below the search bar. Then you can select the type of video that you would like to create or the dimension. I'm going to be selecting 1920 by 1080px. Once you're on this page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Uploads. Then you can select Upload Files, and from here you can search for the video that you would like to upload. So for example, I'm going to be selecting a video that I had created earlier. So I'm just going to tap on Open. Once you have done that, you can see the video is being added right here. Once the video has been added, you can drag and place it on your timeline. Then you can select the video and tap on the three dots, and you are going to tap on Set Video as Background. After doing that, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you are going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, you are going to tap on the search bar, and you are going to type in Subtitles, and you can select Subtitles. From here, you can see different apps that you can use. A popular one that you could use would be the CC subtitles or the animated subtitles. You have a few options. For example, if I were to select the CC subtitles, you can see that it would be able to create subtitles for videos up to 1 minute and 15 seconds long. So you'll simply tap on Start. Then you're going to tap on Export, and you're just going to give it a few seconds. You can see right there, it is now reading your video. So you'll take a few minutes, and then when you come back, you'll realize that it has automatically created the subtitles. So you can see right there, we can now select the style. So you have different options that you can choose from. You can also select the size, whether you like it to be medium or large. You can select the position also of the subtitle. Then you're going to tap on Generate. Once it has been generated, you can see right here, you can see the lines, each line, so you can go into it and you could edit it if you want. Once you are finished, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Generate Video with Subtitle. Once it has been generated, you can now tap on the video. After you have tapped on the video, you can tap on Add to Design. So we select the first video that we had generated. So we are going to select the first video, then tap on Detach Video, and all you'll need to do is delete the first video. So you're going to delete this video. Then the new video, you'll tap on it, tap on the three dots, then select Video as Background, and you can see it right here with the subtitles. And that's it. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.